This is Yousuf. Let's continue learning about SQL and how to query our data. In this lesson, I will talk about how to limit your data set. Okay. Usually in tables, as I mentioned before, we have multiple of millions of record. We want to see 1,000 or 100 to see what's data in this table. Because if you want to query all that will require more time and more memory to handle these data. Okay, let's just select. This is the normal query. Let's select all details from customer table. Now we have 122. In some of the system, if we run this command, we need like 1 hour to get all details, because some of columns will have binary files, will have 30 or 40 columns in each row. So just to be sure or select query, it will be fast, we need to limit our result. Only limit 50. I need only 50 record, not all details. Now the system will fetch you all the 50 record. You don't have to get all details. Okay, let's select all from customers where country equal to USA limit 5. I need only 5 records from USA. Okay, so exactly now all the records have this condition and we are limiting with 5 records. Okay, let's see how many records there. I think it is 36. Okay, just limit to 30. I need to see only 30 record. I don't need to see all details, because some of this condition, okay, if I write 1 equal to 1, this will get me all records. Some of this condition happens in large data. Once you put the condition here, it will get all details or most of the details. So to make sure, or for the testing purpose, you can use this limit, okay, where country equal to USA limit 20. The limit keyword, it will be at the end of the query. You have to now select. Okay, let's summary, select columns. First you specify the columns, then table, then conditions, then the limit or anything, or limit, okay, and the order before, order by phone, for example, phone limit 20. Okay, so this is the order of these keywords. First you have to specify the columns, then the table, after that the conditions, or and whatever, after that the order, and finally the limit, how many record you want. And that's it. This is simple but very useful. You have to remember this. This is my advice for you. Remember, first column, table, condition, order, and limit. Okay.